Today we're going to replace the duster cloth on the Envoy lane machine. The cloth needs to be replaced about every 1,400 lanes. It's good to check the roll of the duster cloth before you start lane maintenance. That way you do not have to stop in the middle of the operation of the lane machine to replace the duster cloth. To replace the duster cloth, we do this with the machine standing in the upright position and top covers open. If there's a little cloth left on the supply roll, but not enough to make it through the entire bowling center, we'll take a knife and cut across the cloth to be able to remove the roll of cloth. We take the waste roll of cloth and we slide it towards the 7-pin side wall to release it from the drive hub. Remember to remove the support core from the roll and discard the roll. We take the new roll of cloth and insert the pipe. We then remove the old supply roll in the same manner that we remove the waste roll. Then we insert the new supply roll. Then we will grab the old supply roll and we'll remove any excess cloth to prepare it for being the new waste roll. On the core of the cloth, there is a double-sided piece of tape. And we will insert the cloth into the machine so that the tape is in the top position. Once the core is in position, you'll remove the double-sided tape. Carefully remove the backing. And now we are ready to weave the cloth through the machine. To weave the cloth through, we have to unwind some excess material. After we have enough excess cloth, we want to weave it around the foam roller and underneath the take-up roll. If there's a little excess, we can wind that back up to maximize the amount of lanes that we can get out of the cloth. When in position, we will take the cloth, pull it tight from the center, and adhere it to the double-sided tape. We will then follow it along to the 7-pin side of the machine and again to the 10-pin side of the machine. Then we will create a little bit more slack in the supply roll and give a rotation to the take-up core. Now that the cloth is in position, we will take the Envoy lane machine and we'll lower it down to the operating position, go into diagnostics, and run the duster cloth a few times to get a good solid wrap around the take-up roller. Now we're ready to go ahead and wind up some more additional cloth. I will manually unwind the cloth and then press OK to start the duster motor. Now the cloth is wound up more securely around the take-up core. Now that the machine is down, we can exit out of the operator menu, navigate to maintenance, counters, and then down to the duster lane.